Welcome families, welcome to the 2022-2023 Open House. I'm Rose Beckett, the elementary principal, and we are so happy to see each and every one of you here this evening.
Hi, my name is Gwyn Reeves and I am the Dean of Students here at the elementary school. My role here is to provide support to students, teachers, staff, and parents. While I know many of our families already, from my many years in the classroom, I look forward to meeting more of you in the near future. My plan is to communicate as much as possible with you and our teachers whenever I meet or lend support to the students in the building. Think of me as a bridge between the various adults your child works with throughout their day. Thank you for your support from home as we work together as a team to create a safe and successful learning environment for our students.
We are excited to welcome you this evening and appreciate you making tonight a priority in your busy schedules. We remain steadfast in our continued commitment to academic excellence, innovative practices, school safety, and inclusive education. Health and safety remain our top priority. We are proud of our achievements and grateful for our school community. Please take the time this evening to visit the important individuals here tonight. We have special area teachers who are located in their respective teaching spaces: the art room, library, music room, elementary gym, and the SEL and science lab. Our school counselor, school psychologist, school social worker, and Saratoga Center for the Family Counselor are located in the Student Services Suite. AIS teachers are located in their respective AIS classrooms, and speech providers, ENL teacher, PEP, Cub Scouts, Girl Scouts will all be located in the main lobby. Just a few quick reminders for families. Please visit our district website for the latest and most up-to-date information. We are also excited to note that we are still working with our resource officer, Officer Zach, who will collaborate with our administration and teachers to provide a safe and orderly environment. We continue to plan and implement programs in an effort to promote kindness and combat bullying. It is important to us that your child comes to school without any worries and is able to focus on their education. Attendance is a critical component to student success. Did you know that students who miss 10% more school days in an academic year are defined by New York State as chronically absent? That equates to an average of just 2 days per month. Research has shown that chronically absent students are reading below grade level, struggling with math, as well as experiencing general learning challenges. While we want children to remain home when they were not feeling well, being in school when healthy is critical and sends a positive message to your children that school and education are important. It is important to update the main office with any contact or emergency dismissal information as soon as changes are known. We ask that you stay diligent in this effort. We are not accepting dismissal changes outside of emergency situations to ensure that each child and their dismissal plan is accounted for. In the event your child leaves an item at home, we ask that all items delivered to school arrive no later than 10 a.m. to the table inside the vestibule of the main office. We are fortunate as a district to have a buzz-in safety system at the main entrance. We ask that all individuals entering the building plan to take the time to follow the correct procedures. Individuals will need to state who they are and the purpose of their visit. At that time, the individual will be buzzed into the first set of doors, may need to show photo identification, and sign the child out if applicable. Only those with a planned visit, which has been communicated to the school in advance, will be allowed through the second set of doors. We ask that those waiting in the vestibule please do so patiently as the office staff calls your child down for pickup, completes the task requested, etc. We would like to leave you with a few very, very important jobs as a parent or guardian. Number 1, remind your child to be kind every day. Kindness does not discriminate, and we are all capable of being kind regardless of our individual differences. Promoting a kind environment is important throughout a child's day, both at school and at home. Ensure that your child is in school every day. We understand that illness can be debilitating and emergencies arise. Please do your best to get your child to school on time every day and to remain in school for the full day. Number 3, establish good routines at home that involve a consistent bedtime. A well-rested child is a happier, more successful child. Communicate the importance of education to your children. Each child should find time to read at home every day for enjoyment. Rather than ask your child how their day was, ask them to tell you about their favorite part of the day, or ask them how they were kind to another student. Asking an open-ended question allows for more dialogue. Play and stay active. Keep your children away from electronics and social media. The soft skills needed in life come from those face-to-face interactions. Number 6, focus your encouragement on the process of hard work and effort rather than the end result. We want students to learn to work hard and always try their best. Number 7, remember, we are a team. We are partners in your child's success here at school. Communicate with us often. We will support you and ask that you support us. We have the same goals as you for your child. We want them to be happy, healthy, and productive members of our society. Again, we encourage you all to visit the special area teachers, related service providers, community partners, and browse the Scholastic Book Fair that's located here this evening. Thank you again for joining our open house and enjoy the evening.